Cisco TV. This is your favorite bearded chef, El Cisco.
And Caliana.
And we're back with episode 14 of Quarantine to Cook. Today, we're making homemade corn dogs. They're delicious, they're fun, they're kid approved. Let's get right into it.
Start with 1 cup of flour. Next, 1 cup of cornmeal. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix it all together. One egg. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 cup of buttermilk. Now mix it. One-third teaspoon of vanilla.
Safe to say, after a few reps, she'll build up those muscles real nice.
Chill for 10 minutes. Now watch me dance.
Cut our hot dogs in half. I'm using some ballpark bun length Angus hot dogs. And we're gonna take a paper napkin and pat dry our hot dogs.
Now let's put sticks in the hot dog. Just like this.
Add chilled batter to a tall glass after 10 minutes.
Dip hot dog in batter and then fry.
Deep fry corn dog for about 4 minutes or until golden brown. Here we go, y'all. Our final product, some golden brown homemade corn dogs. Give this recipe a try. Tell me what you think. Drop a comment down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Time to give them a try. Let's see what we think.